Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you my recipe for a triple S eggplant curry. Spicy, sweet and sour. Let's get started. Before we get started, there are plenty of eggplants and aubergines available in the market. Today I have chosen the small oval varieties known as Indian eggplant for our recipe. Let's see what are the ingredients we need for this dish. To this dish, we need 300 grams of eggplant, 50 ml tamarind water, 30 grams jaggery, 150 grams onion, 100 ml water, 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seed, 20 grams curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of ghee, salt to taste. Keep the flame in medium. Heat the pan. Make sure without any water drops before adding the oil. Once the pan is dry, pour the oil into it. Allow the oil to heat up, then add the mustard seeds. If you have allergies to mustard seed, please skip this step and proceed with the rest of the cooking. Once the mustard seeds start to cracking, add the onions to the pan. Saute it over low flame, allowing the onions to cook and develop a gentle flavor. Mix a few times to ensure even cooking and a consistent texture. Allow it to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. At this stage, add the curry leaves into the mixture and let them fry in the oil for around 3 to 4 minutes to infuse the dish with their aromatic flavor. Continuously mix it to prevent burning of onions or curry leaves, ensuring even cooking. At this stage, add your eggplants. I have cut them into quarters and washed them beforehand. Season with salt, mix well and fry for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to melt and the eggplant to cook. When you observe the eggplant skin changing to light brown, add water at this stage. Finally, give it a good mix. Cover the pan with the lid and let it cook for 6 to 8 minutes until the eggplant is thoroughly cooked inside. You will notice that water reduces as the eggplant cooks and the steam creates while covering the pan adds extra liquid. Keep an eye on the consistency. If you find a pan getting dry before the eggplants are cooked, add an extra 25 ml of water. Be caution not to add too much to avoid ending up with a soggy curry. Remember, if you are running out of liquid too quickly, it could be a sign that your flame is too high. Adjust the heat to maintain the desired cooking pace. At this stage, add red chili powder, tamarind water, jaggery, and salt to taste. Infusing your dish with the perfect balance of flavor. Combine all the ingredients with eggplant. Pour the water into the curry. Next, add the garam masala. Finally, adding ghee and thoroughly mix the ingredients. Bring it to a boil and cover it with the lid. Once you cover the lid, simmer for an additional 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring there is sufficient water for cooking the eggplants. Finally, check the seasoning. It's ready to be enjoyed with rice. I believe you will find my triple S eggplant curry quite enjoyable. I'll see you in my next video. Please stay tuned to my channel. Until then, bye from Chef Fathima Shifnaz.